Check this shit out. I'm in a tree with my dog. We're in a tree. First time ever, he climbed the tree with me. Not a second thought. I'm in total wowzers. You are truly a phenomenal being, Ilpo. Yes, you are. I can't believe that. I didn't even have to tell you to jump up with me. You were just there and all the way up here. We're a good 15, 20 feet off the ground, right? Oh, don't draw attention to it, Ma. You're going to make me nervous now. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. I've got you. You stay right there. Isn't this amazing? I was told Ilpo's phenomenal, and I believed it then, but I believe it so much more now. I mean, we're pretty high up off the ground. First time ever. Like we've done it 20 million times before. Wow. If I were any normal person and didn't know him, I would be saying I'm in disbelief. This isn't real. But, wow. Wowzers. You are amazing, Elpo.